Before we get into the whole decorate and basically transforming the rooms in my house, when I say transforming, just basically moving things around, it's been a slow process. Today's Saturday and I've had to take things quite gently because on Monday, if you watched last Sunday's video, I spoke briefly about wanting to have a little change around because the kitchen cabinets weren't getting fitted and now I'm just going over old stuff. I've roped our John, my eldest brother, into helping me do some work in the house. Now, yes, I do have Lee and Arlie as well to help do these things, but I hadn't told them. His face when he walked in, I wished I could have been vlogging it, but obviously I didn't and that doesn't matter. But on Monday, I had roped our John into coming down and giving me a little hand to move the stuff. We took the fireplace out, which is a solid marble fireplace, and it weighed a ton. And I had a little bit of an accident. We had taken the fire off the wall and I'd realised straight away that it could become a potential hazard where the dogs are concerned because obviously the dogs are just roaming around everywhere and, you know, got the nose into stuff that they shouldn't have the nose into. So I thought I'll pop them into the utility and I'll pop my ears are ringing, sorry. I'll pop the dog gate across and I'll keep them just to that area, just so that they don't get hurt. During the process of this, they're not eagerly walking behind me saying, okay mum, you know, let's go and sit off in the utility for a couple of hours while you get work done. No, there was none of that. And Dolly went to run back into the kitchen, and as I went to try and catch her to stop her from running out because the marble fireplace was just freestanding in the dining room, I went to grab her but I'd forgotten that I'd put the gate half across and I went flying. I honestly went flying, but now here's where it gets a little bit funnier. I felt really awkward because I didn't want to land on top of Noah and Peg, and Noah I knew was right behind me. So Dolly had ran in, but my main concern was that John was in the front of the house and the marble fireplace was just standing. So I had to get myself up off the floor and go and get Dolly, put Dolly in the utility, and she was safe. And then I just didn't even mention it to our John that I'd fell in the kitchen. But you know when you get that instant moment where you just want to stand and cry because you're hurting? Well, that was me on Monday. But I soldiered on, we carried on, we got everything done. And then I had to take 2 days rest because my knees are black and blue. I'm not even going to show you the picture of them because nobody wants to see black and blue knees. And I've hurt my hip during the fall. I hurt my elbow. Oh gosh, honestly I can laugh about it now, but the funny thing is I was really brave when our John was here, but the minute John left and Lee came in and we got over the laugh of him going, what are you doing? What's happening? As soon as I left, I went like that and I pulled my pants down and I went to Lee, look at my knees. My knees were so swollen. I was due to go for my nighttime walk with Lou at around, I think we were going at 6 o'clock or 6:30 that night. We've been having our little menopausal, what are we going to call them? Menopausal moments where we just go and put the world to rights on our nighttime walk. I couldn't go anyway. I just went up to it, so I took 2 days off just to try and make myself feel a little bit better. I don't know what the point of me telling you all this is because I'm absolutely fine now. Today's Saturday and I'm absolutely fine. I've got some bruised knees and I'm still a little bit stiff on my hip, but I'm okay. I laugh about it more than anything. I'm now going to show you the clips of the house before, a little bit of process behind the scenes, show you some things that I've bought and how it's looking now and what we've done. They're not finished. And it's going to be a bit of a process because I'm waiting for some of the things to arrive, but let's just show you how it looked before and a little bit of what went on over the last few days. I've opened the box of some paint that I've bought. I've gone for Frenchie, the Lazy range, and we are going black. But where are we going black? Well, that's a surprise, but I cannot wait to try those and use them. My rug has also come for the new space, which I'm not going to show you yet because it's not ready. I'm still waiting on a delivery, which will be Friday, so it's not long to have to wait. And as soon as Friday comes, I can make that room look all lovely. The rug is, shall I get it and open it? Where can I put you to open it? I could put you there. I can put you there. I'll show you in one sec. This has come all the way from, I think it's Malta, but I'm not sure. So this is my new rug. Let's get it open if we can. Oh gosh. It's been a hard work, like trying to get it open. I should just get a pair of scissors, shouldn't I? That's a struggle. Oh, I haven't got time for that. Let's get some scissors. I wish you could see the three dogs. Look at them. Are you okay? Three of them just sat there watching me as if to say, what are you doing? You crazy woman. Fighting with a piece of cling film. Can it help me, Dolly? Can it help me, Mum? Where's the man when you need one? We'll get there in the end. This just isn't going to plan, is it? I know there's an easy way to do it. I just didn't find the easy way. Start again with the bluntest pair of scissors. Right, let's try now. Finally, this little spike at the rug. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it, and I haven't even opened it yet. Oh my gosh. I love that. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I'm excited. Are you excited, Mum? You're lucky. You're lucky. Well, I've got a paw in my hair. Do you like the new rug? Hey? Do you? Oh, look at that face. I am thrilled to bits with that rug. Like, I am so excited. I can't wait to do what I'm going to do with that because it's going to look so nice. I'm just looking at my banister, however. Different story, look at this. It was always missing this piece of trim. And the little things like that, that really bug me. I mean, it's as old as the hills. Look at the door. Got a gap above the door. It literally is as old as the hills, but it was missing this piece of trim. Let's take it off. It's missing this piece of trim, and I just got our John when he was here to cut and fit this so it can all be repainted nice. But that will be next week, and this is where the room is up to. The sofa's gone. I sold that on Facebook Marketplace. And that went a couple of days ago, so at least the room's empty. So this is all ready. It's a nice blank canvas for my new rug, which is just there. This is the old rug, and you'll see that next Sunday. This Sunday's video will be like a little catch-up vlog style, but this is where we're up to. This room's not really looking its best, but it's still got a couple of things that I'm going to do with it, minus the dog's bed and one of our Peg's toys. But this is where the room's up to, and I absolutely love the fireplace being in here. It just feels like it's a cozier room like this. So you will see exactly what this room is going to look like in next week's video. The paints are all skin and stone. I know they look like two completely different shades, but they're not. It's all skin and stone. It had ammonite on it before, which is quite a cool grey. This is more of a wheat neutral beige, but it shows up quite grey on camera. It definitely isn't. This is definitely a true reflection of what the colour is, and it's almost like a beigey neutral. I really like it. It's warmed the room up an awful lot, but I cannot wait to get started on this properly. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on Sunday.